Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. This morning we're going to Bronte Street in Milton, Ontario. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if we can get any trains today, this morning. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 1:28 a.m. Okay. I can't see a freaking thing now. Maybe if I stand over to the light, it'll be better. So what do we got for power? We got 847 leading. 20 something, I can't really see it, the fucking thing.
So 464.
464 axles. Isn't it 3847 leading? I think. I don't think this train's got a DPU because this might be CN 382. Symbol on this train is CN M382. This train originates from Toledo, Ohio, terminates in the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario. All on this June 9th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I don't know what the trailing second is, whether it's 28 something, but I know the lead unit is 3847. I came out here so I can see CPKC 230, and I don't think he's in London yet. So I'll be waiting as long as it takes for that train to show up. I think it was 3847 was the leader. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm getting my umbrella on because it's starting to piss and down rain. If I look at my video, I can see if I can keep it or not. We'll see. Let's see if I can keep that picture or not. I guess it's fine as long as I'll get the views right away. I'll keep it as long as I'll get views, and if it's not getting the views, I'll delete it. So this is train 382, so I haven't caught 382 in a while because it's usually a night runner. There's got to be 382 going by. You can tell what they're carrying, yeah? We should at least get some CPKC action right now, because usually it runs at night. Usually we get a lot of them at night time. Look at that Union Pacific boxcar, it looks brand new. It was 3847. I don't know what the trailing unit was, but we'll find out what it is later on. Someone has to write on the chat and tell me what. Oh, we got intermodal too. That's bizarre. Don't see an intermodal container on that train, but oh well. This train's huge. Getting something on CPKC right now. Or not. There's the end of CN M382. Off it goes to McMillan Yard where it terminates. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. The time is now 1:57 a.m. I believe, what do we got for power? This gets better light, we'll see. Here he comes. See what power he's got. We got 20, can't tell, 240, 57 something. I can't tell what the power is, so here it is. Symbol on this train is CN M399. The CN M399 originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario. Terminates, this train terminates at the Kirkyard in Geary, Indiana, I think. And I don't know if it's somewhere in the States it terminates. All on this June 9th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. So you know what? I think I'm going to delete all those shorts that I filmed for CN trains because they're so crappy, eh? So I'll keep the CPKC shorts too. If I caught any CPKC trains coming, I'll keep them. So the 382 and the 399 shorts are being deleted. They're not getting get post on YouTube, unfortunately, because of the quality of the picture. And I swore in my short, so I'm not keeping it. Yeah, this is definitely the CN 399. It had the GECX 240 unit. The reason why I'm railfanning at night is because I'm waiting for CP 230, because it's going to have this 7016 heritage unit, maroon gray heritage unit. I don't know where he is right now, but wherever he is, he's got to let 231 go before he can go through. Maybe they'll meet at 135's time. Well, 231 didn't go through yet, I don't think, because I'm hearing chatter on CP right now. I think. I don't think any CP trains came yet today. Maybe there will be some soon. We'll see. It is exactly 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I got here like around 1:20 this morning. Got here like around 1:30 this morning, and I'm probably staying until 2:30 shows up because it's going to have the 7016 leading. So I'm not keeping my dark CN shorts, unfortunately, because the picture's not good and I couldn't see the lead power on this train, unfortunately. It was 28 something, I'm not sure what it was. I'll have to look. I don't think NG fan can always catch this train, you know, because it's all over the place. It can show up in the morning, afternoon, or evening in his area. That's why I'm not keeping it. And there's the end of M399. Off it goes to the States. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. I can hear it coming, eh? Here he comes. As you can see, I can see a bit of pitch of daylight coming through. The time is now 4:34 a.m. Hopefully the shorts will be better now. Alright. So what do we got for power? Can't tell what unit it is. Symbol on this train is CN X275, I think. That's what I heard on my scanner. The CN X275 originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario. Terminates somewhere in the States. I'm not sure where in the States they terminate. All on this June 9th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. So I tried getting a light, but it's not working. I tried. Dad tried to get us lights to see if I can get a short, but couldn't read the unit, unfortunately. Couldn't make it. I had to delete the shorts for 382 and 399 because the picture wasn't too good. I'm never doing an overnight Railfan here ever again. But I'm allowed to see. I can see the CPKC trains very well, but not the CN trains from here. But from moving forward, I'm gonna have to stop. I'm not gonna come here until the sun rises. I heard this is X275 I'm catching. And also, Dad checked the lights an hour ago and there's a green light for CPKC westbound. Hopefully it's one of the trains that I want to see, but okay. Only one engine and there's no DPU. I couldn't make it short for the CN trains at night, oh well. Alright, here comes the next scene, roll it. Hold it! Now don't click away because we got more trains to come. There always is on Hunter Stewart Hobbies, because you guys ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright guys, we got something special on the CN line right now. Look at that right there. No wonder what this, it only has 70 axles, and this train has got to be an equipment train, eh? Now, so there's something appealing running right now. So this will be a good short for me to post today, because the other three were too dark to see. Because I've been here since 1 o'clock, 1:20 this morning, eh? And the time is now 5:17 in the morning, eh? Can this thing go a little faster? I'm gonna wait till this train. I'm not gonna start my short until this train gets a little closer. Be right back. All right. What do we got here? Come on. Pick it up a notch. Need to stand closer. We got look at that, we got a LORAM. We got a LORAM. Equipment train, all right. It's a grinder. What the hell is that? Holy shit. You gotta see this. Oh my god, it's got... Oh my god, and it's got a passenger car too. Oh yeah. Now that's called action right there. Now that burns. That smells like it's burning. Now, what did you think about that baby right there? That's cool. I'm putting that on my community post anyways. I don't know what symbol that is, but we had a LORAM grinder on the CN line. Here comes the next train scene. Roll it. All right, what is that right there? It's a maintenance car following the LORAM vehicle. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Got another maintenance car. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. I think it's a westbound. The time is now 5:29 AM. What do we got for power? We got 89.51 leading and 89.11 trailing second. Symbol on this train is CPKC 133. This train originates from Montreal, Quebec, terminates in Trailer Park, Illinois. All on this June 9th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. So I have some great news. This train's meeting 132 at somewhere on the Hamilton sub. Don't know where. Whether it's at Desjardins or whether it's at Kingyard Yard, I don't know where they'll meet. Now 133 has mixed freight today. I didn't see 231 this morning, which is so bizarre. I think it might have came through like before midnight or so. If not later. Well, I don't know. Well, however, there is another green light on the north track, which might be 135's clearance. But you don't know what it is. we got more in a model and then more mixed freight, of course. Okay, no DPU. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Look at that, the maintenance car's coming back. I don't know what the hell is going on. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Look at that, they're coming back. Wonder if I wonder if those the LORAM equipment is coming back. I wonder why he's going back. Don't know what the hell is going on. All the equipment is going back. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Any more? I don't know. Looks like the LORAM unit equipment is coming back. How weird is that? Look at that. Well, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to stay out for 7,016, unfortunately, because that's leading on 2:30, and it should have already gone through this morning. But I don't know if it gone by yet. But I don't know if he's coming by yet. I don't know where he is. But tell me where he is, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to stay out long for this guy. But however, we have another CPKC westbound coming up, so stay tuned for that. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. Time is now 5:55 a.m. We got this one's going pretty slow. Trailing second. Symbol on this train might be CPKC 135. If so, this train originates from the Aging Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario, terminates at the Oak Yard in Detroit, Michigan. All on this June 9th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Feet are killing me. Wonder why this train's going pretty slow. Look at that. And here's the inner model. that sound? Yeah, there's the end right there. Why the hell is this train slowing down? I don't know. I got some chatter on CN right now. There might be a train going by on the Alton sub right now. Alright. Let me go check the lights. Check down the line. Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. Time is now 6:11 a.m. Can't believe I've been railfanning here for 5 hours. Ooh. We got 27:15 leading and 56:07 trailing second. Symbol on this train is CN A421. This train originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, terminates in Port Robinson, Ontario. All on this June 9th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. We got 8922 DPU, all right. Alright, there's the end of CNA 421. Off it goes to Port Robinson where it terminates. Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. Peace out, everybody.